Believing in something is what drives us to keep going and continue to invent ways to get closer towards our goals. Like this adorable dog, we will do what it takes to be successful and accomplish our goals and aspire to be part of something great. As a child, we were determined to get what we want, whether it was $1 for the ice cream truck, or getting to the end of the monkey bars, or being able to buy our favorite artist's album. Everyone wants to be a part of something unique and exclusive. We are Knowledge Molds Creativity, and we are here to bring Sony music artists and their fans just that. Sony Entertainment was formerly known as Sony BMG, which was originally founded in 2004 and the second largest global record label. Sony Music Entertainment is wholly owned by Sony Corporation of America. Sony capitalizes on their expertise with consumer products and now possibly creating an application that interests customers while generating a large amount of revenue. Global music piracy can lower Sony's distribution revenue, causing consumers to lose the desire to purchase physical copies of CDs. Sony Music Entertainment collaborations have given them not only international growth, but it has also helped Sony's company build on exposure, marketing aspects, and publishing. Sony is built on success, where you believe in making things happen. Sony utilizes every aspect of their music company, from how songs are promoted, album releases, and how much money is generated. With all organizations, there comes some challenges. The challenges Sony faces today are increase in profits on music sales. Although sales were up 2.7% from the last quarter, this increase mainly came from the depreciation of the yen against the US dollar. With such iconic music superstars under the Sony umbrella, music sales should come from more than the depreciation of the yen against the US dollar. Another challenge Sony faces is with the Music Unlimited app. This paid application actually does limit its users to those who can afford $4.99 a month to have access to millions of songs only on their CPU or Sony PlayStation 3. Not to mention users paying $9.99 a month for full access and actually having the pleasure to use their application on all Sony home products and most mobile devices. The Sony exclusive app, exclusively for Sony artists, will increase the revenue in the music division by charging $2.99 to become a subscriber. With such amazing artists that have so many diehard fans, the Sony exclusive app is what these fans need to get an extra special connection with their favorite artists. With exclusive offers, fan events, and the first to have access to the artist's releases of music videos, song, and album releases, and more. This app will not only connect with old fans, but broaden the demographic of new ones. Sony has made an incredible mark in the music industry, housing some of the most successful and well-known artists in the world, with some of the most dedicated fans in the world. By offering the subscribers an incentive like a yearly appreciation virtual concert for its subscribers, the Sony exclusive app for Sony's artists will create a harmonious bridge between artists and fans. Sony exclusive is predicted to increase sales within Sony's target market from teenagers who are in high school and college. Sony exclusive can be downloaded on smartphones, tablets, and CPUs. Sony exclusive will generate revenue from the use of the app from purchases of albums, singles, merchandise, ticket sales, and in-app advertisement. Sony exclusive is an innovative application that provides updates on music and other forms of related entertainment. Sony exclusive will feature a user-friendly layout that will easily enable users to navigate to whichever section of the application they so desire, all while being able to view and share downloadable content. Sony exclusive allows the consumer to become deeply involved with their favorite artists and the material they release, coming handily equipped with a customizable homepage. Sony exclusive will be marketed through social media and television, which will be used as a portal for advertisement, marketing, and promotion to build credentials and get people involved. Sony exclusive will be appointed on social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, and television networks such as VH1 stations, all MTV stations, as well as BET Network, giving exclusive insight about updates with artists on the Sony artist roster and about the Sony exclusive application. When opening a business, you have to follow a series of legal steps in order to ensure that your business moves swiftly and smoothly. There are also many legal factors that come into play, such as music licenses, licensing fees, record label agreements, and more. A privacy policy is a good way to keep our Sony exclusive applications secured when doing business and disclosing information that should not be shown to the public, and also keeping customers' information secured. This graph shows the breakdown of development costs of the app, from development staff to marketing, hardware, and developmental costs. Altogether, we are looking at approximately $828,000. The timeline is extremely specific. From the time we pitch the app to the time we get it out on smart devices for our music fans to enjoy. We will be sticking to the timeline to ensure that everything is right on schedule and that we don't fall behind on anything. What are the things that you take from an app the most? The social media path? Music and/or games? We are going to keep track of what our consumers take out of the app. Reading the artist's social media, their new music, playlists, and more. Also what they are not visiting as often, and making changes so that they will want to visit those parts of the app just as much. How often do you log on to an app a day? Sometimes we log on or click on an app without even noticing. Apps are one thing that is starting to be programmed into our brains as an automatic thing to check. We will be able to monitor Sony exclusive by keeping track of how many times a day consumers clicks and checks the app. The feedback and reviews from our consumer is going to be the biggest thing that we are going to focus on. Without those consumers, the app is nothing. Making sure that we take the time to fix what the consumers want fixing and what the consumers want us to add is extremely important. Making the app something that the consumer will want to tell their friends and family members about is the way this app will become one of the most successful apps since Angry Birds. Even though the app has to be more successful than just the number of downloads it gets in a certain amount of time, the download count is extremely important as well. How well the app is getting out to the artist's fans and how they are communicating it to other fans and friends. We are taking the two biggest things of the living generation and turning them into one amazing app that everyone will love and want to download. But with a lot of talk comes a lot of high standards to live up to. Keeping on track with the app is going to make it the app to beat. Making sure that with an upgrade comes new reviews, which in return means more progress. More progress means more artists that will want to sign up with our app. Every Sony genre is welcome. The main benefits of Sony exclusive application gives fans a direct connection to their favorite artists, their music, and other related news and information. Sony exclusive bridges the gap between fans and artist relationships by creating a platform where the two can meet and exchange various forms of information. I would like to thank you for listening, and remember, be a part of the movement. Be Sony, Sony exclusive.